everyone, welcome to Best Indian Food. Today we are presenting Independence Day special recipe for three color idli. Ingredients are 2 carrots, coriander, idli batter. Let's start the preparation. First to grind the carrot paste and then next grind the coriander paste. Carrot coriander paste ready. First take the bowl and added 2 spoons of idli batter and add the carrot paste. Mix it well. Added 2 spoons of idli batter and added the coriander paste. Mix it well. 3 color idli. Independence Day special recipe. Take the idli plate and apply the little bit of oil. Independence special recipe 3 color idli is ready. Never miss any of your favorite recipes update. Please like, comment, click the bell icon